we're out here at the Aspens, located right in downtown McCall, Idaho. We're gonna take a tour of the complex and one of the units that's listed for sale. We're gonna go over the amenities that they have and why you might want to buy in this community. So right behind me are some of the amenities. We have tennis courts and we have a seasonal pool that's open, of course, when it's not snowing. Another cool thing about the Aspens is it does have boat storage parking, which you need, of course, when you come to McCall and you want to enjoy Pay It Late. So you can't tell, but once you follow this trail, you can go right down to Davis Beach and it's only an 8-minute walk. So another thing about the Aspens is it is located on the east side of the lake. It's right next to McCall City Golf Course. You're close to the bike trails, which will take you less than a mile to get down to the city center of McCall, Idaho. So it's a very centrally located. You just cross the street and you're at Golden Glove Park, and there's a playground there, some baseball fields. Also, you have Ponderosa State Park, right down the street. So it's just so close to so many amenities in McCall. They really have redone everything in this unit. You can see there's custom cabinets, custom countertops. They have all new appliances, including the washer and dryer that are located right in this closet. So all of the Aspen units feature a back patio, and majority of them do have a storage closet where you could store some snowboards or mountain bikes. So now we're gonna head to the upstairs. And you can see the stairway has even been redone. There are 2 rooms and a bathroom upstairs. This bedroom overlooks the living room. I've seen in some units where they put up shades or curtains, so that would be a possibility if you wanted to do that in this room. They have also really high ceilings still. And then you can come check out this bathroom. It's just a full walk-in shower with tiles all the way up. It's not one of the cheap inserts. You can tell it was definitely well crafted. Now we're going into the 3rd bedroom. And all of the bedrooms, I don't know if you noticed, but the size of the bedrooms are really large. This is probably 14 by 12. And this room has a huge walk-in closet. Now you could store all kinds of stuff in here. So like I said before, this one's been completely remodeled, including new floors and new carpet that we saw upstairs. It's just different. It's different than majority of the units in Aspen that have not been updated yet. So it's a really, really nice treat for us to be able to get in here and check this one out. So now you've seen what you can get here at the Aspen Condos. That particular unit is on the market for $480,000. Each unit has different HOA fees depending on the size, right? So the studios have a different HOA fee than a 1 or 2 bedroom or 3 bedroom. So that's important to know when you're purchasing in the Aspens. And so another important thing to know about the Aspens is that they are non-warrantable. And what that means is they don't meet Freddie and Fannie guidelines when it comes to lending. So you want to make sure that if you're getting a loan on one of these units that you're dealing with a lender that has a non-warrantable product. So hopefully this has given you more information about the Aspens. If you have any questions about McCall, I'm Teia Golden and I'm happy to answer them. Whether you're thinking about purchasing here next month or a year from now, definitely reach out and give me a call.